Today and right now I will be making a video of Rudolph the roadkill reindeer. It's a story of him being roadkill. So, here it is. Rudolph the roadkill reindeer had a very bloody nose. No one ever really knows. Rudolph the roadkill reindeer went out and played in the road, playing some fun and games, when all of a sudden a semi came. So he went out in the road. He didn't know that the semi was coming. Roadkill reindeer, everybody knows, and then the semi hit him. Then he was a very bloody reindeer. So as they call him, Rudolph the Bloody Nose, going around town, having a very bloody nose.